Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Got the latest issue of Auto Modeler magazine, issue number 9. This is the December-January issue, and it's about tune cars and other great inspiration and information. So, let's take a look. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. Okay, Auto Modeler magazine, issue number 9, for the love of our hobby, and our theme for this issue is Let's Get Tuned. So tune cars, like the old Deals wheels and cartoon type cars. I think that's a great idea. Hey, by the way, if you don't have a copy, head down to your local hobby shop, pick you up a copy. I tell you, it'll be worth it. Better yet, go to automodeler.com and subscribe. You'll get it in the mail, every issue that comes out. Also, check the back issues as well. If you're behind any, or you're just hearing about the magazine, pick up those back issues as well. Okay, let's get into it. Up front, we've got a full-page ad for the Acme Southern Nationals. Guys, this is one of the premier shows in the country, and it is worth the trip. So you got plenty of time to make your plans and save up your pennies and dimes. It's October 24th, 2026 in Cartersville, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. Great show. This was the first year, this past year, that I've missed it in many a year. And it's a blast. Our table of contents. Let's see. Welcome to the Tune issue. And also, there's a little article here about the top 10 models of 2025 and a list of the judges for that. And then you've got your social media for YouTube and like Facebook. Most of the content creators are listed there, but this community is growing, including the YouTube community, every day. New stuff. Oh yes, great new masks. I've shared some of these with you that I picked up from Terry and Patrice at STS. They do fantastic custom decals, but their paint masks are absolutely awesome. I've shared some of those I picked up with you too. Some new stuff from our friends at Slicks. If you want some of the best drag racing decals, vintage and modern, you can get it right there at slicks.com. And Spotlight Hobbies. 3D School, from static to dynamic. And this is true. I have seen 3D printed stuff, guys, where they'll do like a chain that would go around your neck, and it's all loose, and I mean, it works. And it's just unreal what 3D printing has done for this community, this hobby. But all of this stuff functions, and of course you've got hinges coming out now. You've got the pivot pins for steering, heim joints. I've also seen universal joints, but see all the motion you can do with that record bed. This is great information. And guys, I'm just highlighting, skimming over this stuff real quick, but this is awesome information to have. More info on that, how functioning it is. I have also seen these 3D printed shocks. You got the main shock, shaft, springs, everything, and they work. I mean, it's just great. A little ad there for VCG Resins by Reese. Awesome stuff there. And our buds at Model Roundup. And tune cars. And hey, this is by our buddy Kevin Morley. Kevin, congrats, dude. I've seen this kit. When cars came out, not too long after that, they did a 1/25th scale kit. I think that was Lightning McQueen, and I imagine that's the car he used. Yes, it is. And he just did us one better. Very creative, great build, great looking build there. But he did the Chase Elliott car out of it. I think that looks cool. But what I did not know about this car, and that's another thing I like about these magazines, is you learn so much about different kits that weren't sure you'd be interested in. Check out the detail on the chassis and the engine. I had no clue that this thing had that kind of detail to it. And I'm sure there's a lot of stuff that Kevin probably dressed up a little bit too. And I love the weathering and stuff down there as well. But cool, huh? But our first tune car. Love it, love it. And the Corvette twice over. This may look familiar. I think I did a few videos on that one, didn't I? This is the first magazine article I've written in quite a few years, since Scale Auto. But fun article, fun to share information like this too, guys. I'm not going to dwell on that. You've seen the videos and all that stuff on it. Okay, and Gary's Cheetah. Now this is cool and very well detailed. I love this stuff. I want to read this article to find out about these metal finishes, what he used and what brand and what shades, because that just looks good, really good. But these tune cars, okay, this one started as the old AMT Corvette, and check that out. This is just awesome. And the thing I loved about these old cars like this was they had that tune stretched kind of look to them. And yeah, here we go. You see the oval shaped type wheels there, like they're in motion. That cartoony look. I love that stuff. That's not something I've done much of, but I really do like that stuff. Pick up your copy of it and read up. Modelrama 2026. I've got a copy of that brochure I just printed off, and I'll be giving a shout out for that. This is May the 15th, 16th in Franklin, Indiana. Tuning a Charger, and how to tune a Charger, or almost any car. Okay, so he took a 73 Dodge Charger, and okay, he used the tires and wheels from the Deals wheels that I was talking about earlier. Okay. And, yeah, there we go. Took a Charger kit and tuned it up. That is really cool. Oh, man, he even got the trim around. This is excellent, excellent. Bob, you did a great, great job. Oh, yeah. See, this is the kind of stuff I love to see. It's not only inspiring, but it gives you some ideas on stuff as far as like flaring stuff. Check that out. Even you could do that in a smaller scale too. All right. Cool. Oh, part 2 of the Bubble Trouble. And this started out as the Tom Daniel, or the old monogram Tarantula. And this looks like a land speed car, or salt flat car. And you know, that's not something I've ever built, is a land speed car, but I have something in mind that is very unique. And I'm going to make it a Moon Eyes to boot. And this article's by Scott Comer. And I haven't read a lot of this. I've skimmed it, as I said, when I first got it. But I want to go back through this, because a lot of this, as you see, is like texts all the way through, just a chat. So looking forward to getting to this. Oh, check that out. Yeah, I got to get back into this one. Then, what did we have here? I'll have to go back and check this out. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm intrigued by that. I like that. Again, guys, make sure you pick up your copy or sub. Some YouTube channels as well as STS decals again. I love this sketch pad, every single issue. And this is, again, that Tarantula. Just some ideas there. Love the wheel covers. You see the containers or retainers, excuse me, that are on the wheels. And check out the wheels and tires without the covers on them. Oh, I like that too. And this one, they've taken the cab area, or the cockpit area, off of the Tarantula. Oh, check out the wheels, spider webs. That is cool. Got the hourglass for like a Black Widow for the back window. Love the way the pipes come out like spider legs, and the tread on the tires. That is some creative. That's really creative. Love it. All right. Southern Nationals. The coverage from the Acme Southern National. Great, great stuff. I'm seeing names already of some folks that I have known a long time. Tom Valenta, fantastic builder and a great friend. Also a fantastic photographer. Lots of awesome cars from there. Wayne Stevens tribute to our buddy Wes at Wes's Model Car Corner. Great stuff here. And my bud Clay Kemp, I have known for a lot of years, over 20 years, and this was your best to show car at Acme this year, and well deserved. The pictures I've seen of it online, different aspects of it, and even video, I don't think do it justice. Nothing ever does anything Clay does. You got to see it in person. You got to experience it. Awesome, awesome stuff. And this is something else I love, guys, is the scrapbook, because not only is it about just seeing the show and the cars, but all the people, the get-togethers, the pre-show and post-show, the dinners, getting together and just having a big time. Love it, love it. I appreciate Scott always including the scrapbook stuff. The Desert Scale Classic 2025. Check that out. Love those old roadsters. Great stuff. And again, some familiar names. And to all of you guys who have pictures in any issue, congratulations. That's an awesome thing. More scrapbook. You see some vendors there. Contest area. Great, great stuff. And like I said, guys, there's just some great inspiration in here. You really want to make sure you check it out. Modelrama 2025. Nice looking little roadster. 73 Grand Am. Awesome. Great stuff. Oh, wow. Love that. And again, some familiar names. Now, this is one this will be the first article that I read. This one right here by Dave Armstrong. And I mean, check this old thing out. And the box art here. This is the Yellow Jacket Ford Competition Roadster. I remember these boxes. The first car I ever built was a monogram, the Green Hornet. And the box art was just something that stood out for me, and I just love that. And he did an outstanding job on that thing, too. Really sharp. And this thing listed under kit reviews. I love the kit reviews. This kit review on this 85 Jimmy. Another one. The thing about kit reviews is, when I used to do them, I would always give you pros and cons to it. If there's a ill-fitting area on the car, I would tell you, and that's what I love to read on these. That way there's no surprises when you start getting into a build. If something doesn't fit exactly right and what you got to do to fix it, you've already got a heads up on it. So love kit reviews. And again, automodeler.com, and subscribe. Check out the back issues as well. ScaleRiders.com. And this, as I was thumbing through, the paint got my attention real quick. This is just really a sharp looking car. And the color stands out. And this is a recent issue from the Stranger Things series. Just really, really nice stuff. But I love, Jody did a great job on the car, but I love the colors he chose for it too. And Roy's 76 Nova Pro Street. Absolutely great stuff. And, 454 Big Block. Love the heating on the headers. Very nice. And the miscellaneous table is this time about newsletters. You know, the South Carolina Model Association has members from 4 states, members at large, and they do a monthly newsletter too, and like many of these clubs that you see here are doing. And in addition to the magazines, it's just more information about your local area too. So if you are not in a club, get in a club. Get those newsletters every month. And then Joel, Iceman Collections, and Atomic City. And that's just a quick overview of this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And again, go get you a copy and check out the back issues too. You will not be disappointed. All right, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. We will see you in the next video. God bless, guys.